Extech 3894 100 amp AC/DC high resolution mini clamp meter review. Real low current results. Ever tried clamping a meter inside a packed panel and realized it simply will not fit? The Extech 380941 200 amp AC/DC high resolution mini clamp meter is built exactly for that frustration. I remember freezing mid-job, staring at cramped wiring, knowing my standard clamp was useless. If that sounds familiar, you know how quickly small access problems become big delays. The real headache is not just tight space. It is missing tiny current changes that signal bigger issues. That subtle brain fog sets in when readings feel inconsistent. Standard clamp meters often skip over low milliamp variations, especially on DC. You try adjusting position, double-checking connections, still unsure. There has to be a calmer, smarter way to measure accurately. Then everything changed when I found the Extech 380941 200 amp AC/DC high-resolution mini clamp meter. Don't just pick any mini clamp meter. Make sure it has 10 milliamp DC resolution so you never waste time on hidden parasitic draw problems again. The first time I used it was inside a tight HVAC control box where my larger clamp simply could not reach. The 23 millimeter jaw slipped neatly around a single conductor without disturbing surrounding wiring. Let me be honest, the one-touch auto zero surprised me most. Instead of fiddling with manual adjustments, I tapped once and locked in a clean DC baseline. The 10 milliamp DC resolution immediately revealed subtle current drift I would have missed before. The fast 40-segment bar graph, updating at 20 readings per second, made startup swings visible in real time. Add min-max capture and data hold, and suddenly blind measurements and inrush checks felt controlled, not chaotic. Over weeks of use, the benefits became practical, not theoretical. In plant maintenance forums, technicians consistently mention how the compact jaw reaches conductors larger meters cannot access. An HVAC professional shared that the DC zero function speeds up relay diagnostics. A distributor even highlighted its Hall effect sensor and 10 milliamp sensitivity as ideal for tracking subtle current drift before failures happen. That matches my experience. For fleet maintenance, checking parasitic battery draw feels precise instead of guesswork. For marine panels, the small frame reduces accidental wire disturbance. Now, let us address the main hesitation. Is a 200 amp mini clamp enough? For heavy industrial feeders, probably not. But for residential panels, control circuits, HVAC systems, telecom racks, and vehicle diagnostics, it covers the majority of real-world tasks. The learning curve is minimal because the layout is straightforward and the 4,000 count display is easy to read. Ask yourself, do you really need massive capacity or do you need precision in tight spaces? As we move toward the conclusion, the value becomes clearer. Imagine opening a cramped panel and knowing your meter will fit and catch subtle current changes with confidence. Thousands of technicians across electrical, HVAC, fleet, and marine work reliance rely on compact, high-resolution tools like the Extech 380941 200 amp AC/DC high-resolution mini clamp meter for that reason. It restores clarity and control to everyday diagnostics. If you want to check it out, you will find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Take a look and see if it fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.